Good evening, friends. In this particular part, something which again, literally, I should say, attracted to my eyes is PEP20. Like we have IPL20 in cricket matches and hockey, football, everywhere. Now, I don't know how many of you really like it. Now, this is something which I did not find across programming languages or even the popular foundations. Now, this is something which is quite good, and I thought I should go ahead and make it a video on it, so that coming some of my students or the programmers or even some of the research scholars who go ahead, they understand how the creativity goes and how passionate we are towards such some things. And you can see here when they have designed this particular concept, how beautiful this is. So PEP20, I invite you all to understand what is PEP20 and Zen of Python also. Now here you will see that first of all we need to understand what is it, what do we mean by PEP20. Now it isn't nothing, it's a simple English language PEP, number one. Number two, the proposals which were given to us as the guidelines in 20 steps, and we will see each one of them, which I'm going to definitely read out to all of us. Now what is it? Collection of 19 principles of Python. That's number one, written by Tim Peters. Now, he was one of the developer working for Python, and he's the one who had given them. These are the punchlines. Now, I wish I had a room, wherein we can introduce Python, and these punchlines are also available. Presented to the mailing list of the Python itself in 1999. It is so old. However, it has still got that attractiveness towards it. The 19 have been dedicated from the side of Tim to Python steering console itself. 20th proposal or the principle is left for Guido van Rossum to fill in, so that and he's still waiting. I mean, it has not yet occupied the place. Also called as the that's the full form of PEP, that is Python Enhancement Proposals. So Python Enhancement Proposals is the full form for PEP. 20 stands for the 20 principles, out of which 19 have been declared or announced, I would say. 20th one is still left for the founder or the father for the programming language, released in the public domain. So someone who wants to use it or literally go ahead and make use in their own this thing, or would like to go ahead and write a paper or talk about more about it, can definitely go ahead and take care of it. Now for me, it is very good. I have written a beautiful paper on this one also on PEP20, and let it get published, and I'll be showcasing to all of you also side by side. Now for this acknowledgement, since I have taken up completely, and the next video would be on this, I need to acknowledge it that the material for this particular is adopted from the following link, which is available, and each one of us, we can go ahead and we can even think. So I thank Python Foundation for this one also, since it is very useful and I found it to be very good, and that's the reason why I thought I should include it into my own in my own playlist of the videos. So I think each one of us must have liked the Python proposals. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.